Hello and welcome to our video tutorial for the newly added diagram category within our new and improved Copilot Plus V4, also known as Copilot for DevOps Ultimate. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the various functionalities and features that allow you to create diagrams effortlessly using the diagram category. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this video will guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive into how to create diagrams with Copilot V4 and unlock the full potential of this powerful new feature. Start by clicking on the diagram tile to enter the diagram creation area. Users have two options to create their diagram. Number 1, by default, you can see the select work item option is turned on, which means you can create your diagram based on selected work item. Number 2, if you prefer, you can turn this off and write your own custom prompt detailing the diagram you would like to build. In the prompt field, describe the diagram you wish to create. This can include any specific details or steps you want included. For this video, we will create a diagram using the selected work item. Let's turn this on. Before we click on Generate, use the drop-down menu to select the type of diagram you want to create. There are multiple diagram stencils available to suit different needs. By default, the flowchart diagram type is selected. Once selections have been made, click on Generate. At this point, Copilot V4 will then build a process flow based on your selected configuration. After generating the diagram, you can view this in the Diagram tab where the system will automatically take you. This is where your newly generated diagram will be displayed. In this Diagram tab, you can enter a new prompt to make updates or change to the existing diagram. To do that, simply modify the details as needed by giving specific instructions using the prompting area below the diagram display. For example, I can enter a prompt like, at the reject level, advise system to provide feedback. Then hit enter. You will see that based on our prompt, the system will now add special instructions to our diagram. For a detailed breakdown to go, you can go to the Explanation tab. Here you can generate an explanation of the diagram to better understand its components. Let's go back to the Diagram tab. Here, users have two options, existing work item or new work item. Users can publish the diagram directly into an existing work item, or you can embed the diagram in a brand new work item of your choice. You can also save the newly generated diagram in MS Word, PDF, or save it as an image. Please note, once published, users can also use the hamburger menu up here to further decompose this flow into subdiagrams, allowing them to view more detailed processes or breakdowns. Also, users now have an option of inserting a text block that allows them to add structured or unstructured text content to their diagram to further customize as needed. To get further details on how to create a text block, please refer to our video for text block creation for Copilot Plus V4. For other Copilot features, refer to our other videos. We hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.